Going for dinner. Hey my angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are just going for dinner. Actually, we don't even know which restaurant we are going to. We're going to decide on the way, guys. So yeah, we are going for dinner and I'm super excited because I'm hungry, and I'm going to take you guys with me to whichever restaurant we go so I can tell you guys how it's gonna be, so that you guys can have another restaurant in Diani to go to. So yeah, if you guys want to see this video, then please keep watching. And my quick outfit of the day, very simple, guys. It has this nice cuts over here and just flats. I actually haven't even carried a lot of shoes. I've just carried like maybe 2-3 pairs of shoes, and yeah, and just like simple stud earrings, as you can see. Just one ring I'm wearing. Actually, my nail polish is like of 3 days ago, so let's not even talk about it. So yeah, let's go, guys. So guys, we have come to Aniello's. That's how it's said, restaurant. It's an Italian restaurant in Diani. Oh my god, looks so good. Let's go in. Guys, we ordered this with chicken, mushrooms and white sauce, and we ordered grilled chicken, prawns curry and the shrimps tempura. So this is the prawns curry, prawns tempura, grilled chicken, and this is mine, which is the chicken and the mushroom pasta. So guys, I'm trying the pasta. Oh my god, you guys saw how yummy it looked. Oh my god, white sauce is everyone's favorite. So let's take a bite. Are you hungry? Delicious, guys, delicious. So good, so creamy, just everything you need in a pasta. Honestly speaking, if you're a fan of white sauce, you will definitely love this, guys. It is so good. I love prawns. Everyone knows that. Everyone knows I love prawns. So I had to try the prawns on camera because I love prawns and prawns are my favorite. So here, fried prawns with tartar sauce. The whole prawn, obviously. So good, guys, so good, so yummy, delish.
One scoop of mama.
Thank you.
One.
Oh, sorry.
One scoop. One scoop.
So this is pistachio ice cream. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi.
Bye. Thanks for the service.
Very well. Thank you.
Just came to have the chicken and mushroom pasta from Aniello's again, guys. That's the cheese. Yummy. Can you tell how full I am? Exactly. I'm so full, guys. So full. I have eaten so much, like so much. The food was amazing. The service was amazing. The ice cream was amazing. Everything was just amazing. The atmosphere was so good. It was such an amazing place. I would go there again and again. Honestly speaking, I really loved the food a lot, and I would like to try other dishes in the same restaurant. Maybe the next time I come to Diani. So yeah, I highly recommend Aniello's. Like, honestly speaking, such a nice place. The owner is such a good person. Like, he was welcoming his guests so well. Like, when we went in, he was like, welcome, karibu, and that was so sweet. Like, oh my god, like, so nice. And you know, when someone actually welcomes you to their restaurant like that, you actually start feeling nice when you just enter. So yeah, they have so much on the menu. Like, there's so much to choose from. Like, I was literally confused on what to have, but I finally made my decision and went for the pasta, and it was so yummy, guys. So delicious. The prices are very reasonable, I would say. So yeah, and the portion was also really good. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends. And yeah, I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. And if you're interested in watching any of my other review videos on my channel, please go down to my channel and check them out. And once you click on the subscribe button, then you will automatically get notifications and about my YouTube channel. Obviously, you just have to click on the bell, guys, just on the bell, and you'll be notified.